Today in front of me I have Honor 7C smartphone, and in this video we would like to figure out whether this device has an AMOLED screen. So, well, to begin with, we will use a help of our website that is called HardReset.Info. Well, just HardReset.Info, then enter the Honor 7C, then go for its page, then expand the additional specifications. So read more, and in here at the display category, we can see that the screen on this device is an OLED color, which basically almost means that the screen is AMOLED, since AMOLED is just a way for Samsung devices to brand an OLED display that they manufacture themselves. Alrighty, so, well, to sum up, the answer is positive. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye-bye.